job. That was so smart.
That's what I was thinking, maybe.
That's kind of the theory with the little car.
That little foot up there. She already knows how
She
to
likes that.
break. One break. No. Yes. Maybe.
You gotta turn. Easy on the turn. But you did it before. Joy, you can do it again. Oh, lost her for a moment there.
Violet, chair.
That was good.
Did you get it on tape?
Yeah, I sure did.
Oh, oh. Yep.
I'll be emailing it to you. Make it fun. Boy, Joy, you're just like a maid. You're like a nursemaid. Taking good care of the Violet.
Slobber. Icky.
You could probably do that all day long. Here she comes. Oh man, she's fast at that now.
There she goes.
She sees her daddy.